In this video, I will show you how to put Ask Me a Question on Instagram story. So now we will add Meet the Creator for a new story, but you can also get some pictures uploaded, or you can also capture one. That for me, I'll head over and then just choosing the picture that will serve as my background. Once I have done that, next thing you can do is you just click on this icon that we can see right here, which is the smiling face or the tiny square. And when in here, you can actually search in here for question, or you can also search in here for asking question as well. Now, for this one, let's remove this question, and you can see in here this asking a question right here. So, for example, we can say something, anything we want. So, but it's after we can just put in here ask me and click on done. Now, you can resize it according to the level. We can add music or anything else. But that's rather than that, just click on the server report and then it should be processed on this. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, as we reach about to listen.